To start with, we're just gonna get one tube and just cut it into rings. If you're not sure how to clean a calamari, take a look at my other videos. It's very simple and easy. Once you're done cutting all that, put that into a mixture of half cup of water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. What that will do is it will tenderize the calamari, so it will not be as chewy when you fry it. Leave it for like 1 hour, and then just clean it up, rinse it off, and just clean it properly. For the coating, get a half cup of flour, then put 1 teaspoon of baking powder, not soda. Put some black pepper. Actually, put a lot of black pepper. Some is not too much. And once that's done, I'm gonna put some paprika. Unfortunately, I forgot to get that ready, so I had to go find that. And yeah, there you go. 1 teaspoon of paprika, and then salt, which is also I forgot. So I had to go look for it. And yeah. Now here's a great trick to mix the calamari with the flour. Put half of the calamari into a bowl, and then put half of the flour mixture, and then put the remaining calamari, and then put the remaining flour mixture on there. And when you're done, just close the bowl with the same plate and just shake it a lot. And most of your calamari will be nicely coated. Well, it wasn't, so I had to shake it second time. Get a pan with hot oil and put them all in there and leave it for roughly about a minute and a half. When it's done, just squeeze some lemon juice on top, and there you go.